I
Thank
was
you.
really surprised you had one of your own fitness transformations. You said when you were wanting to go in and go towards the Navy SEALs before you did the diving, etc., that you actually taught yourself to swim using YouTube. How did that come about? That whole fitness transition. Have you always been interested in fitness?
Not really. No, it started when my brother started working out. And I saw his transformation and I wanted the same for myself. I actually used to just make fun of him for spending his time working out. I said, you're only doing it to impress other people. And this was probably when I was 17 or 18. And I saw his transformation and he kept trying to get me on board. He said, do a P90X workout with me. Come to the YMCA and work out with me. And I just thought it was dumb for like the first year or two. And then I realized a change in him. He became stronger, he became more confident. And I said, you know what? I will go to the gym with you.
Hmm.
So it all started in the YMCA gym in Florence, Alabama. We went in for a workout and I never let up, never stopped going.
So I mean, to teach yourself to swim though, using that, and to go to the gym to get yourself to that fitness thing, what did you find certain hacks that you thought like that have stayed with you that you kind of want to get out to people? Or do you just want people to make fitness part of their life, like part of a system, just to be
Yeah, no,
enjoy it?
if it's not already ingrained in you or a part of your system, you have to jump over a bunch of mental barriers that try to prevent you from being there. So my journey started just trying to look better. I didn't care about feeling better. I just wanted to have big arms.
Me too,
And
failing miserably.
and well, I don't think your biceps can ever get you know big enough. So I guess it's a constant mission for us guys, especially. But it started just lifting weights. Didn't do cardio. Didn't swim. And 2 years later, when I decided to join the Navy, I said, okay, I really have to step it up. I have to get into cardio shape. I have to start running. I have to start doing pull ups. And the most important thing of all going into dive is swimming. So for me, setting that deadline of, hey, I'm leaving December 4th, it was a big, it put the pressure on me. You gotta, for people out there that aren't in the gym consistently, you have to give yourself specific goals. You can't just say, I want to lose weight. You have to say, I want to lose 10 pounds by September 14th, and here's how I'm going to do it. So that's what I did. And it kind of taught me that setting specific goals is worth so much more than setting just goals that aren't specific. So set specific goals, and on your path to get there, you're going to have to jump through some mental roadblocks. The body likes to stay comfortable. The mind likes to stay comfortable. So
Mhm.
naturally we want to say, oh, I don't want to go for the run, I just want to stay in bed and be comfortable, or I don't want to go for the afternoon workout because I'm tired and my energy's low. You have to shut it off and you just have to do it.